Okay, here's another differential equation we're going to solve by the variation of parameters method. And so it's y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals x squared e to the negative x. Well, this is our characteristic equation, has a double root of m equals -1, so that gives us our quick and easy complementary solution. Y equals c1 e to the negative x plus c2 times x times e to the negative x. And our complementary solutions are what goes in the denominator with the Cramer's rule when we're trying to find u1 prime. Here's y1, here's y2, here's y1 prime, here's from the product rule y2 prime. And that determinant is e to the negative 2x, because if you multiply this by this, you get e to the negative 2x times negative x plus 1. And when you multiply this by this, you get e to the negative 2x times positive x. And the positive x and this negative x cancel out, so we just wind up with 1 e to the negative 2x. Now, the numerator, we replace this with 0, and x e to the negative x squared goes here. And finding this determinant, we got 0 here and x cubed e to the negative 2x here. And look what happens, the e to the negative 2x's cancel. So our u1 prime is negative x cubed. So u1 is negative the integral of x cubed dx, which is negative x to the fourth over 4. Similarly for u2, here's our y1, here's y1 prime, here's 0, here's our f of x from the original equation, and we've got x squared e to the negative 2x when you multiply this determinant minus 0, of course, and then the denominator is the same, so we just wind up with x squared. So u2 is the integral of x squared dx, which is x cubed over 3. Now, our yp is u1 y1 plus u2 y2, which is negative x to the fourth over 4 e to the negative x, plus x cubed over 3 x e to the negative x. Remember where the x came from, that's our y2. So now if you multiply this all together, we actually have like terms there. So you get positive 1/3 and minus 1/4 x to the negative 4, or sorry, positive 1/3 and negative 1/4 times x to the 4 e to the negative x. So positive 1/3 added a negative 1/4 is 1/12. So x to the 4th e to the negative x, and the solution of the equation, c1 e to the negative x plus c2 times x times e to the negative x plus 1/12 times x to the 4th times e to the negative x, and we have our solution.
I think I've got it.
Good.